Well, we are just about wrapped up with October. How is everybody feeling? Probably not that great because alts, frankly, have not done that well this month. But I want to talk about November because November is, historically speaking, that month where alts gain major ground. Does this mean that Shiba Inu is set to make some significant moves to the upside? I want to talk about something that's playing out in the charts, and I want to show you guys what, historically speaking, this next month means for Shiba Inu. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Obviously, Shiba Inu has been very strong, very resilient. We're still working our way slowly and surely to the upside. We are in an uptrend. That's a very positive sign. Anybody that tells you different, I don't know what to tell them, right? It's been almost 2 straight months of now up and to the right. We're currently getting tossed around between our moving averages. We're trying to seek just a little bit higher move here. And I have to say that this month actually was not that bad for Shiba Inu, all right? We are only at printing a negative 2.89% monthly candle. That's a pretty big deal, right? Because alts usually don't do the greatest in October. Shiba Inu historically had, but we'd had such good months with it being such a great young asset that it probably outperformed a little bit of what we would normally expect. Now, what I want to show you guys is what the overall market tends to do during these months ahead. So this is the overall market cap of crypto, excluding BTC. So this is all altcoins. This is Ethereum included. And what we'll notice is that every time during this point in the market cycle, you see we start to gain a little bit of momentum. We start to gain a little bit of ground. So for example, if you look at even November of 2023, we started to gain a little bit of ground, a little bit of movement to the upside. We did print this red candle, obviously in the month of October. This is a negative 0.79% monthly candle, but you guys see the momentum starting to shift. You see us starting to curve around, very similar to what we've done in the past. Here is the market cycle prior. You guys see kind of a cool down here right around these months. You guys see that this is obviously September, red month, October, very tempered month, and then November, you see the boom. Even a cycle further back, 2016, which I say is the closest market cycle to what we're experiencing right now, you guys can see the cool off, the consolidation, right? Then October was red, November was the start of the much bigger move. So what this might indicate is that now that we've gone through this long period of consolidation here and we're starting to flip around, that we actually do have a very good month ahead. I mean, realistically, we even have the possibility of finishing this month on the green side, not just in terms of alts in general, but in terms of Shiba Inu as well. We're not that far away from actually pitching a green month, which would be a very good sign. Now, what I have to say is on the Shiba Inu charts, we're almost playing out into that inverse head and shoulders like I talked about. All right, we talked about this actually at the start of October, and you guys can see that we're almost doing it. This is just a little bit deeper, that left shoulder was, but you guys can see that we actually held. Oh, wow, that was terrible. You can see we actually held this neckline. So this is actually a very strong formation. That guy looks kind of sleepy here, but you guys, all right, it's early. Anyways, you guys can see the setup that we are creating right here, right? This is kind of that slingshot. And in fact, this dip down and this weekly candle that's starting to curve around. I know it's just basically a 1-day weekly candle. We're starting to flip around here. And this is where Shib has the opportunity to, again, target this 4028 range. And again, we get the right things taking place during this week. Good GDP report, good PCE report, institutional money buying, more positive sentiment, no war, nothing like that. It's something that can be a much bigger momentum shift in the market. You know, when we look at what sentiment is at currently overall, you guys will see that we're still not incredibly bullish. We're still in that neutral range, right? This is where we've been living ever since we had our drop just about a week ago or so. So this week has all the potential in the world. It's a question of will it, right? Will we get enough push to close October on a green note? But I really want to hear what you guys think is going to be coming in November. We obviously have an election that is only, just over a week away. So that'll probably play some impact into the early prices in November. But let me know your thoughts. Have a great day. Show your love below. Shib is set and ready to run. The question is, will the market allow it to do so? But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.